All right, you guys, we got more Black History Month with Howlin' Wolf, Smokestack Lightning, live 1964. Shout out to Reeling in the Years Archives. You guys need to go subscribe to their channel. Okay, so I know you guys have been asking for Howlin' Wolf. If you guys like this kind of content where we go check out the archives and the old school, you know, I'm your guy, your curator of classics, man. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. So let's get to Howlin' Wolf and see what he's talking about. Oh, shoot. I always forget. Hold up, give me a second. All right, there we go.
We have the last artist to appear on the show tonight. He's someone I'm sure you've been looking forward to hearing and seeing for the first time in England. One of his recordings was recently voted, I'm told, voted the most popular, whatever they call R&B, whatever R&B is, a recording.
Hey, don't shade R&B like that, homie.
And we'd like you to meet the king of Smokestack Lightning, Howlin' Wolf.
Wow, he threw real shade at R&B. He said whatever that is.
For some time. And we'd like you to meet the king of Smokestack Lightning, Howlin' Wolf.
The number's going out now, friend. It's Smokestack Lightning. The train.
Oh, he got a smoker's voice. Okay. Okay, give us some of that bluegrass energy.
Oh, the train I ride on. Oh, the angels shine like gold. Oh, the train I ride on. Oh, the angels shine like gold.
Come on, talk to us now.
Just like
Bro, if I didn't know no better, his voice is like the prototype for auto-tune, bro. You hear that last note right there?
just like Oh, the train I ride on. Oh, the angels shine like gold. Just like
I ain't never seen somebody sweat from a harmonica, but all right.
Oh, stop your train, darling.
This music's so good, it's almost hard to stop the video and talk.
Oh, stop your train, darling. A poor boy ride.
Bro, his voice is literally a church preacher, your church preacher with a smoker voice that can sing. That's the mix. But literally auto-tune too. He got some charisma too, don't he?
Since I've been good. What did she tell me? She got sassy. Oh, little bitty boy. You better tell me on. Don't you hear me crying?
I love this dude, man. Let's go, man. I love this. You know, one thing I really like about music back in this time, and like the music was able to breathe, man. The music was able to breathe. Music was a vibe. It was a feeling. It was spiritual. You could really tune yourself to music if you just soak in it, bro. And because now it seems like music is much more external now, you really don't get that tuning, that spiritual tuning that you was able to get from music back then. You know what I mean? And I really like looking back because now we are able to see the difference between that real music and now. And not to say music now isn't good, but it's just so few and far in between when it comes to artists. And you got to really try hard to find artists that really replicate what this was, you know what I'm saying? And pay homage to it, you know? And I really appreciate Brother Howlin Wolf. He died in 1976. So he's been almost dead 50 years now. And I want to say thank you for sharing your talent and your voice and your charisma with us. And rest well. All right.